Hello, magandang araw sa lahat. Welcome to Review Excellence. Magsasolve tayo ng math pre-board problem taken from the REE board exam. So, this problem is a maxima minima under the subject differential calculus. Okay, let's start. So, our problem is a rectangular field is to be fenced into four equal parts. So, what is the size of the largest field that can be fenced this way with a fencing length of 1,500 feet if the division is to be parallel to one side. So sabi sa problem is meron daw tayong rectangular field. And this field is divided into four equal parts. So hatiin natin tong rectangular field na to into four equal parts. So this is our fence number one. Then, so makikita nyo may apat tayong equal parts. So this is part 1, part number 2, part number 3, and then part number 4. Then, para ma-enclose natin yung ating rectangular field, kailangan din natin mag-fence dito sa portion na to. And then, let the distance from this pole to this pole as x. Since equal lang sila, so therefore, kung ano yung distance dito from pole 1 or stick number 1 to stick number 2 is ganun din yung distance from this stick to this stick. So, x, x, x. Since apat sila, so yung total length natin dito is 4x. Next is the width from this stick to this stick. So, yung distance dito is y. And then, this one is also y. And this one is also y. This one is also y. And so on and so forth. So makikita nyo, we have a length of 4x and a width of y. So, okay, let's try to solve this problem. So, inonote natin yung total length ng pins is 1,500 feet. So, therefore, para makuha natin yung total perimeter is we have 4x na length since 4x dito sa corner na to and then may opposite corner. So, kung ano yung distance dito, ganun din yung distance sa corner na to. So, since we have two corners, so that is 4x multiplied by 2. Plus, yung width natin is meron tayong limang pins na pa ganito yung pa vertical. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore that is plus 5 times y, which is equal to yung total length ng pins, that is 1,500. Next, simplify natin yung equation. So 4x times 2, that is 8x plus 5 times y, that is plus 5y, is equal to 1,500. So this is our equation number 1. Then, area of the field is maximum. So yung buong area daw nito is naka-maximum. So using the formula for area of rectangle, that is length times width, is equal to yung length natin is 4x. So let's substitute 4x times width natin is y. So 4x times y, that is equal to 4xy. Then let's simplify this equation. So 8x plus 5y is equal to 1,500. So ititira lang natin sa left side is yung y. So therefore, we will get an equation of 1,500 minus 8x all over 5. So itong equation na to is isa-substitute natin dito sa area is equal to 4xy. So we have area is equal to 4x times 1,500 minus 8x all over 5. So distribute natin. 4 over 5 constant. Then x times 1,500. That is 1,500x. Then x minus x times negative 8x. That is minus or negative 8x squared. Then apply derivative with respect to x both side. So mag-a-apply na tayo ng derivative from left side and then derivative sa right side. So we have dE over dx is equal to d over dx, parenthesis 4 over 5 times 1500x minus 8x squared. Then dE over dx is equal to 4 over 5. So i-derive natin to 1500x. First derivative is 1500. And then negative 8x squared. First derivative is negative 16x. Since area is maximum, thus dE over dx is equal to 0. So therefore, dE over dx is equal to 4 over 5 times 1500 minus 16x is equal to 0. So we have 4 over 5 times 1500 minus 16x is equal to 0. So divide natin yung 4 over 5 both sides. So matitira na lang is 0. So we have 1500 minus 16x is equal to 0. Thus, x is equal to 1500 over 16, which is equal to 93.75. Then since meron na tayong value for x, isolve na natin yung y using this equation. Y is equal to 1500 minus 8x all over 5. Then substitute natin yung 93.75 sa x. So we have 1500 minus 8 times 93.75 all over 5. That will be equal to y is equal to 150 feet. Since area or the maximum area yung hinahanap, the maximum area E, so therefore yung formula ng area natin is 4xy. So substitute, area is equal to 4 times 93.75 times 150, that is equal to 56,250 square feet. So this is our maximum area. So dito na magtatapos yung ating sample problem number 2 ng Math Freeboard. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to, and see you to the next sample problem. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless.